Hello friends, welcome back to Portland, Oregon. I'm glad you're here. I'm here in front of Oda Tofu. If you saw my video about the weird things about Portland, you saw Oda in that video. But I decided to come back because when I came for that video, they were cleaning up for the day and nothing was really going on. So they invited me to come back and check it out when they were in operation. So I rearranged my flight so I could leave one day later when they were open, so I could come in and check this place out. I think it's just cool what they do. The oldest tofu maker in the country. Let's go learn a little more. Here we are. Well friends, this is my new friend Noel. And how long have you been working here, Noel?
I lost track of years, but I'm the official tofu. I train people how to make tofu.
Okay.
So I think it for a while. And I also do the quality control. I'm in charge of for a lot of things, actually.
Wow.
So I know a lot about tofu. I grew up with eating tofu since probably infancy.
Wow.
Yeah.
So how long has this been here? What's the story on the place?
This is the oldest tofu maker in America. It's about, I think, 1911.
Okay.
Japanese Americans started it, and they stopped only 2 years during the World War II when everybody was interned at camp. But otherwise, we were first located in Chinatown, in Portland. We outgrew that, so we came here, and actually we pretty much maxed out on the production, and we process about 1,800 pounds of beans a day.
Wow!
And all our beans come from the best part of the USA, which is Ohio Valley, Wisconsin, that area.
Okay.
And we truck it.
Wow, it comes all the way by truck.
Maybe 3 to 4 weeks.
Wow, okay.
Yeah.
1,800 pounds a day. That's so much.
That is
okay.
a lot.
Well, I did get a chance to try the soy milk and the tofu, and it was awesome. It was very different, the soy milk. It just tastes like tofu, but it's very good.
Right.
Huh?
Yeah, we don't add any additives or chemicals in our for our soy milk. It's pure soy milk.
So can you tell us what the process is here?
Well, we wash the beans. You can see the beans. We wash it overnight. We have to soak it in the water overnight. And wintertime, it's kind of cold, so we'll add hot water to it. And summertime, vice versa. It's warm. When the warm days, we'll add ice.
Oh, okay.
And because of that, every batch, and also the protein consistency of each bean is different. But every batch comes out different. So we don't measure anything. Only thing we know is how much the beans weigh. Otherwise, it's all done by experience.
Wow, that's interesting.
And how much kilograms you add to the batch makes all the difference, whether you make it medium, firm, or extra firm tofu.
Huh. What's your favorite?
Medium.
Medium? That's what I had. It was very good.
So you know, the firm and extra firm is really for American market. In Japan, when you go to tofu place and have tofu, you get a medium.
Okay. I'm learning so much stuff about tofu. I had no idea.
Which is okay.
Yeah. Well, let me show you around how it's done. Cultivated in Japan and China since before written history, soybeans didn't arrive in the United States until the 19th century. Used today in many products such as adhesives, rubbers, and paints, the U.S. now produces the majority of soybeans in the world. 1,800 pounds of the best of these soybeans in the country arrive at Oda every day to be transformed into the most important soy food in the world. The 1,800 pounds of soybeans goes through a grinder, pressurized steam cooker, and a separator. Magnesium chloride is added to the fresh steamed soy milk to induce curdling. It's then ladled into cheesecloth-lined settling boxes. This separation of the beans into curds and whey is the reason tofu is sometimes called bean curd or vegetable cheese. After this process, a portion of the tofu is fried, all gets packaged and sent out to local customers, some as far as 4 hours away. I love watching the process of this. I've always liked tofu, but now getting to watch how it's made at the oldest tofu producer in the country, it's really cool. What a cool adventure here at Oda Tofu, the oldest tofu maker in the United States. If you're in the Portland area, definitely come over and check it out. They're very kind. They'll answer all your questions and sell you some amazing tofu and soy milk if you want it. Different than you've ever had in your life. I appreciate you joining me today, friends, and I'll see you in the next video.